Hi, this is Dubay's Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis today, 3rd of July 2023. I'm excited because this is a brand new month and this is our first analysis for this month of July. I'm so excited. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Please, if you are joining us for the first time, ensure you subscribe to this channel, Dubay's Forex Academy, and then turn on the notification button. Please like this video, share this video. Let's get your opinion and your comment at the comment section. So let's go with XAUUSD. We are going to see how the market fared last week, then also to see what we're expecting in the market this very week. So let's start with XAUUSD, which is gold. So last week we told you we have been selling gold. We have been of the opinion that gold will move downwards, and that is why this is, I just dropped this one now. This was how it was last week, all right? So, and we told you that price could, for the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've been telling you that gold could bounce and from here and then move down. And of course, it bounced from here and moved up to this point, but it didn't get here and it moved down. And we told you that once this structure is broken, what you'll be looking for is a retest of this structure and then more down. So you can see that here has been broken, and then after it has been broken. So we wait. We have to wait maybe after daily close, and also to look at lower time frame to see an entry point to enter this sell, because there's going to be another move downwards, because we want to see gold after breaking here. At least we have to see gold at least come down to this point. All right, this is where we are waiting for gold to touch. We want gold to come to this point. All right, so this is where we want gold to touch this zone, this region. All right, so but this is not an entry point that I'm giving. This is just analysis. All right, so if you want to get entry point, you need to join our paid group. All right, you need to reach me at Dubay's one on Telegram. All right, or you can also join our free Telegram channel, Dubay's Forex Academy on Telegram. All right, because sometimes we also send free signals there. All right, but if you want to join our paid group, then you need to reach me at Dubay's one on Telegram. We'll tell you how to join our paid group. We will send entry points as soon as we get confirmation for this sell. At the moment, no confirmation yet, so we'll have to hold on. So congratulations to those that took this trade from this point and up to this point. That's a massive move. So let's go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD, we told you from when we started selling EuroCAD was from this point, and that is why we left this, because we told you that price should get to 38.2 and then 61.8. Currently price not 38.2, and we even bought EuroCAD. We bought EuroCAD and we made profits last week, and I told you last week that price will move up, and I draw this telling you that price could get to this point, then from here price will go down again, and that was why we were buying last week, and we have made good profit. For those that took the trade, let's see how many pips we made last week. All right, this is over 170 pips. So we are still believing that this week price could touch here and go down. Currently where it is, there's no entry point, so don't take entry point if you didn't take the trade last week. So you need to stay out of the market and wait for confirmation for a sell, because from this point we should be looking for an opportunity to sell. So I will leave the analysis like this so you can look at it and then know what to do exactly when price touch all this place that is identified, this very place. These are the places that we have identified, and of course these are final targets for this move. For this move from this top, we are trying to ensure that we get all our profits, maybe get to this point. But at the moment we have exited our sell, waiting for a new position, all right, for a new entry to take a new position from this point to sell up to this point. So let's go to USD CHF. USD CHF. Remember I told you, right? Yeah, it's on a downtrend, but we have been buying USD CHF and we have been making profits. We bought from here to here. It came down here. We started buying again, and we have made over 100 pips from this point. And you can see it for yourself. This is close to 100 pips here. So we are waiting. We are still on the trade. All right. We are still on the trade. All right, so we just want to see price touch this region, then from there, that is when we'll start to sell. So at the moment, we are still buying USD CHF. So until price get to this point, all right, this is the place we have identified. Once price get to this region, we'll change our bias to start to sell. But at the moment, we are trying to buy up to this point before we sell. So for AUD USD, this is amazing. You can see that all this analysis is working very well. All these points that we identify as key levels, support and resistance, supply and demand zone, whatever name you prefer to call it, you can see that it's working. That's why we ask you to watch our analysis and then know what to do at the right time to do it. And the price, you need to take your action, to take your entry point. So AUD USD, we started selling from this point. For those that join us and watch our previous video, we started selling from this point. And I told you that price will get down. And you can see how many pips. This is over close to 300 pips. Right now, price have hit here. So this week now, we are no longer interested in selling. We are interested to buy. All right? Because last week, they didn't touch this zone. So this week now, we should be looking for opportunity to buy AUD USD from this point. Right now, it's already buying. All right? So at least you can look at this particular level here, this particular one. All right, yeah, let's bring it up to this point. All right, so if you are buying, look at the first resistance around here. Okay, so it's already buying. So this is the first resistance where we are looking at that we should start to do what? To exit AUD USD. So congratulations once again to those that took the trade. Let's go to NZD USD. NZD USD, we told you NZD USD that's where the price is. All right, this point that we didn't sell or we didn't do anything on NZD USD because we told you that price have not touched the place we are anticipating price to touch for us to start selling. But where the thing is, that price could still go down. Of course, price went down actually, and this is where price is right now. So this week for NZD USD, we started buying when we saw price got here, and we have already made 50 pips, 100 pips. Yes, I think we made 100 pips. It's on our signals and then on our result. Look at it, we made 100 pips last week. So we still believe that price will go up more, maybe probably to this point before we start to sell NZD USD. Euro USD, remember I told you that Euro USD at the moment, you can see the consolidation, the move. There's no great movement on Euro USD. And that's why we have been out of Euro USD. Because we want to see price, either price respect here and move up from here now. Is that price move up, we know that it has moved up, make a new high, break this structure here. If price move up, break this structure here, and then, all right, is that price move from here up, all right, this is what we say. Is that price move from here at least up to this point, either break it and then retest it, then we'll now know that uptrend continues, or price goes here and from here respect it and go down. So where price is now, we cannot buy at the moment because price could actually from here fall down. And then also yes, and also we cannot also sell because maybe selling at this moment, price will move up to go and touch it. So we have to wait either from this place, we'll see a good entry point here, then we can take a trade from this point, all right, or we wait, either we take a trade from here, all right, to go down, or we wait for price to break this point now, this very point here, at least price break here. If it breaks here, price breaks here, and then retest, because it has to break it, then retest it, for example, as a resistance, and then from there we'll see a price action. From there we'll go down, all right. So where price is now, we have to wait. So you don't need to rush and trade. You need to first of all make sure that you're seeing something that will enable you to take decision either to buy or to sell. So don't jump into trade. So we have to wait for Euro USD. What about GBP USD? GBP USD, we have been selling GBP USD from this point, and you can see that it hits 50.0, and I draw this thing, told you that you need to follow this Fibonacci and the first point was 38.2, and the second point we are looking at is 61.8. So it got to 38.2, break it to 50.0, now it retraces. From this point, this week I'm still expecting price to go down, because when you go to lower time frame like on H1, you will see that where price actually turn is you can see is a trend line, but I don't want to go to H1 to start to analyze H1. But if I analyze H1, you see that this place is a trend line where price, it tries to break it. Now you can see that it has been respected. So price should go down from where price is right now. So by on a daily time frame, I'm still seeing price to touch at least 61.8 before, if price wants to continue to move on. If you even draw a line from here, you see that where the price bounce was actually like a trend line. You can see the price bounce there. So look at it now, it bounced, but for me there's still room for more down before this uptrend continues. So there's still more room for price to touch at least 61.8. That's for USD, GBP USD. For USD JPY, this pair at the moment, I don't want to sell USD JPY. JPY has been very weak. Even though I'm anticipating that JPY pairs will fall this week, as in JPY will be strong, and the JPY index will be strong, and then all the JPY pairs will fall. You know that JPY is on the base, on the quotes, not on the base. So all JPYs are on the quote. So if JPY index is strong, then all JPY pairs will fall. So for USD JPY, there is still room at least to touch this point here now. It is from here. If I see price here, I could try to see if I can enter. Let me see if price touched it today. I think price almost touched it to look at almost. So it could actually fall from there, but because of the movement in this JPY, so they may even be, price may even break this structure here. This is a supply zone, so but where price, as price is going down now, if the movement have started as you see it like this, then it could get to this point, and then before you know it, price will do something like this, go back, maybe break here, maybe even to go to test this new high at this point. Look at the new high here, maybe this new high at this point. Yes, this new high. So this is what I'm anticipating on USD JPY for price. Either price push up from here or from where it is right now, but come down to this point, from there and push up to this point. So at the moment, I don't want to sell USD JPY, but if you want to start to sell, good luck to you. You can start to sell. If you're an aggressive trader, you can take your entry where price is right now. So for USD CAD, wow, these are amazing. Last week we started buying USD CAD, and I told you that price will bounce from there and probably to touch either this point here or this point. So right now it has touched the first point, which is here. So it's a key level, and price is trying to break it. It's respecting it right now, not trying to break, respecting it. Look at it. This is over 130 pips. So price is respecting here. So this week now, here could work as a resistance. Price could from here now to move down, and then to come and look for this point here, this particular point. Yes, this is what could happen. Price going down from here, otherwise price could bounce. So right now it's not a good trade. USD CAD is not a good trade to take entry where it is right now, because anything can happen where it is now. So price could from here fall down, or of course it could actually break here. So where it is now, we need to wait first to see if price will break to go up or price will continue to go down. For Euro GBP, amazing. Euro GBP, we bought Euro GBP last week, and you can see that it respected our zone. Price respected our zone. Let me now use here. This is our zone, and from this our zone, and that's over 100 pips for Euro GBP. So we still believe that price should move further up, further north to touch here, and then this is where we could actually start selling. If you want to sell Euro GBP. But at the moment, price should still move up. Look at where price touched last week, but we're anticipating price to get to this point before any meaningful sell. All right, for Euro GBP. Then for GBP CHF still remains same. Price is still within this zone, and you can see price is trying to break here. So at the moment, there's no good entry point right now. If you're an aggressive trader, you could buy it to touch here. But right now, we are out of GBP CHF. We have to wait and see what we have to do. So for GBP JPY, all right, GBP JPY, you can see that I'm already on the trade. We are selling GBP JPY since last week. We sold and made profits, but we have not really collected enough profit that we are looking for GBP JPY. We are still believing that price will go down. Price should go down. So where price is right now, price should still go down. So I'm selling GBP JPY. It can take your entry. It's still a valid entry. We sold last week, made around 100 pips or so. This week we are still going to sell GBP JPY. Same thing with Euro JPY. Euro JPY is still the same bias. Remember I told you that we have to sell. We sold. From here we sold. Look at what we sold before price went up. All right. For those that took that trade, look at it. That's 100 and something pips. Price went up. So for this week, same thing I'm going to still do again. I'm going to still sell again. So remember that when you see 50 to 100 pips, of course, you need to partial close, and then you can put your stop loss into profit. So we want to sell this pair at least up to this point. All right, we sold last week. It gave us 100 and something pips and move back up. So we are still going to sell again to see if it will actually give us the right pips we are looking for. Look at even if you draw a trend line for this daily now, and you want to connect these ones, all right? Okay, so we can connect like this. Since this one didn't get here, so we can connect like this and see if price could maybe touch this particular trend line. All right, at this moment, this is what we are looking at for Euro JPY. Then finally, before we do CHF JPY, okay, let's do CHF JPY before we go to GBP AUD. CHF JPY, you can see I'm still on the trade, and this is daily. We are still believing that price will go down. We made around 50 pips. Okay, the last trade we sent for this is still not is on profit because it was 161.10. Right now price is around 160.96. so this particular trade that I sent is on profit, but it has not really moved the way we want, so we are still on sell for CHF JPY. So you can take your entry right now for CHF JPY. Right, so GBP AUD gave us good profit last week. I think we have made close to 200 pips. Yes, we started selling from this top here for GBP AUD. Yes, over 200 pips. It's almost hitting our TP5. TP5 is 200 pips, and it's still moving down. Even GBP NZD, we sold GBP NZD also since last week. All right, we sold it Thursday or Wednesday last week. We started selling it. All right, I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It was Wednesday, and as we speak now, it has given us our complete TP5, which is like 250 pips. Even Euro NZD, we are selling Euro NZD. All right, but I didn't plan to analyze Euro NZD. We are also selling it, and it has given us 250 pips. So these are analysis for this week, right? This is DXY. These are analysis for this week. We are believing that let's see DXY. What are we seeing on DXY? That's dollar index. I think dollar index could be on its way. All right, could be on its way to this point to give us a complete W shape, right? Complete W shape before palm. It could be on its way. So Guys, ensure you subscribe to our Telegram channel, the Forex Academy, and then please like this video, give us your comments at the comment section. If you made profit with our analysis last week, please drop it. Let's see, drop it on the comment section. Then let's look at what the fundamental is saying for this week. Let's go to fundamental and see what the fundamental is saying this week. Let's go there and see what it's saying this week. Okay, so like I said, this is fundamental for this week, right? This is fundamental for this week. I think there are some red folders. Alright, AUD. Tomorrow is going to be great for AUD. RBA states rate statements, OPEC meeting, FOMC this Wednesday. Wow. On Wednesday is FOMC, so please trade with care. Take note of the red folder. So just go to Forex Factory. You can see the calendar for this week. And then look at this week will be non-farm payroll. So this Friday is going to be great. This week Friday. So you have to trade with care. So market will be very much volatile this week. So just go to Forex Factory. You will see all the fundamentals there. So then finally on our Telegram channel, alright, so this is our Telegram channel. You can see on this is our paid group, alright, this is our paid group, the Forex Academy, this is our paid group, and then the free group, we have free group, and this is the one I asked you to join, the Forex Academy. You can see our results, you can see our last 3 months results. These are month of April results, 2,705 pips. For the month of May, 6,040 pips. And then for the month of June, 4,550 pips. Alright, so we know we are also going to get good profits this very month of July. Once again, happy new month and welcome to month of July. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please ensure you subscribe to our Telegram channel and then turn on your notification button. Please like this video and share this video. This is the Forex Academy. Follow us on all social media handles: YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Everything is the Forex Academy. Right. Cheers, guys, and thank you for watching.